Welcome to Advanced Manufacturing at Western Kentucky University. In the following, we'll explore the Senior Research Project for the 2014 spring semester. The process begins by machining each individual part for the assembly. The assembly consists of an aluminum base, a wood block, and an aluminum round part known as the doorknob. Raw materials are located in the inventory of the Automated Storage Retrieval System known as the ASRS. From here, they're distributed to various machines for processing and then returned. First, the 5-axis robot, affectionately known as Steve, delivers an aluminum round piece to the lathe. And the turning process begins. Next, an aluminum blank goes to the mill. Finally, a wood block is transported to the router station by the conveyor. Back at the vertical mill, the Renishaw probe locates the absolute center of the workpiece by locating the top and sides of the aluminum blank. When the probe contacts the material, an infrared signal is transmitted to the receiver on the side of the mill. It then determines the tool height and tool diameter with the Renishaw tool setter, and cutting begins. The mill, lathe, and router now operate simultaneously to complete the parts. Here the lathe is midway through its cycle. The router has started contouring the pocket of the wood base. Coolant flies as the mill processes the aluminum block. The lathe completes its last passes and the door opens. The finished piece is then transported to the vision station, where a camera assesses its profile for defects. If the part passes, it's removed and taken to the ASRS for storage, where it will await assembly. Next, the finished wood block is loaded onto the conveyor for transportation back to the ASRS. Finally, the mill completes the base. A fan cleans coolant and chips from the piece, and the base is sent to the ASRS. It's now time for assembly. The system has received an order for assembly. Each part is loaded onto the conveyor, where it will take a short ride to the assembly station. Eva, the assembly robot, picks each part from the conveyor and places it in a staging area. Assembly begins with the base. A set of jaws helps with the alignment and holds the base securely. Next, the robot places the block on top of the base. Placement of the aluminum round finishes the assembly. Eva puts the finished assembly back on the conveyor, where it will ride back to the ASRS.